Best Australian Dropshipping Suppliers. Hi, welcome to this video. We are going to discuss about the best Australian dropshipping suppliers. We have compiled a list of the top 8 dropshipping suppliers in Australia. Let's get started. Number 1, Amazon Australia. The first dropshipping supplier we recommend using is Amazon Australia, the biggest e-commerce platform in the country, providing you access to plenty of top-notch products you can sell in your store. Some of its salient features are largest collection of products of all categories, best-selling products, 1 to 2 days shipping time for eligible items, best sellers, Amazon Prime membership, Prime Video, fastest shipping, and free shipping for Prime membership. But how can you as a dropshipper benefit from Amazon? Once you start making sales, you can count on Amazon Australia for fast domestic shipping times. Moreover, with Prime membership, you can avail the 1 to 2 day shipping time for eligible items. With such incredible delivery speeds, you can build stellar ratings and a strong customer base. Not just that, with Amazon's impeccable customer care, as a dropshipper, you will have 24/7 support via phone, chat, or email. Number 2, ColorBlocker. If you're someone who's interested in selling general products, ColorBlocker is the perfect dropshipping supplier for you. ColorBlocker covers genres like kitchen and cookware, home and living, electronics and tech, top trending, watches and accessories, and best gift ideas. They specialize in providing excellent customer service, so you can always expect speedy replies to your inquiries along with helpful advice. Being in business for over 10 years and having accomplished hundreds of thousands of satisfied customers every year, ColorBlocker is worth checking out. What's more, they offer free shipping worldwide on all orders above $100, as well as quick dispatch and a hassle-free returns policy. Number 3, TradeMe. TradeMe is a New Zealand-based e-commerce trading site where users can buy and sell anything from real estate to collectibles, new or used. Some of the advantages of working with TradeMe as a dropshipping supplier are wide selection of products, high standards enforced, and domestic shipping for plenty of items. It offers a large selection of products from multiple popular categories. While TradeMe offers limited membership to New Zealand or Australian residents, the advantage is the low competition and thus the chances of you becoming an exclusive reseller of TradeMe products in the Australian market. Finally, while primarily based out of New Zealand, plenty of sellers are located in Australia, allowing you to offer domestic shipping on their items. Number 4, Catch. Established in 2006, Catch Australia is one of Australia's top e-commerce sites with over 9.6 million monthly visitors, the majority of whom are Australian shoppers. What makes Catch a good dropshipping supplier? It offers a curated marketplace made for Australians, large selection of products from multiple categories, a robust local fulfillment, and exclusive members benefit, that is, Club Catch. If there is a supplier that understands the needs of your Australian customers, it is Catch Australia. The marketplace has a selection of over 2.5 million products, carefully chosen based on local preferences, and offers many relevant dropshipping categories. Catch Australia also helps lower the cost of merchandise and shipping so you can maximize profit margins. Number 5, Kogan. Kogan is an Australian retail marketplace with sales of over $1 million a day. It is an excellent place to find what's popular. Some of the advantages of Kogan include fast domestic shipping times, exclusive deals to members, that is Kogan First, wide range and an extensive selection of products, and self branded products. You can find over 10 million products in many drop shipping niches to sell in your store. Moreover, Kogan offers a line of self branded quality products you can purchase at a lower price and sell for a good profit in your store. You can get much more out of this seller by signing up for Kogan First, a membership that starts with a 14-day free trial giving you access to free shipping, exclusive discounts, priority customer care, and annual gift cards. Number 6, MyDeal. MyDeal is another major retailer covering all of Australia. The company focuses on home and lifestyle products. Some of the advantages of working with MyDeal as a dropshipping supplier are user-friendly website, refund guarantee policy, and large selection of high-quality products. Even though MyDeal is limited to home and lifestyle products, it offers millions of products in categories like garden, kids, fashion, electronics, and others. MyDeal also has a refund guarantee policy, according to which if an item is not received, the company will send out a new order. For items not as described, MyDeal processes a full refund, including all shipping and handling costs. Number 7, Crazy Sales. Crazy Sales is another Australian domestic marketplace that is a boon for price conscious buyers because of the heavily discounted products it offers. Some of the reasons that make Crazy Sales a good dropshipping supplier include loads of bargains on a wide range of products, official support for dropshipping, fast shipping times, superb customer care and support team, and reimbursement for custom duties. Crazy Sales supports dropshipping and commits to shipping products to your customers. As such, you can select from any of the 10,000 products it offers and sell them with confidence. Also, Crazy Sales offers fast shipping times, regardless if products have a domestic source or overseas partners. On number 8, we have Target Australia. It is another excellent dropshipping supplier. They sell discounted products like women's apparel, baby products, kitchenware, and much more. Some of the advantages of using Target Australia are great offers and discounts on a wide range of products, fast domestic shipping times, free delivery for all orders above $45, and excellent post sales customer care. If price is your priority when sourcing products, Target Australia would be perfect for you. Products get shipped from local warehouses and take around 3 to 7 business days to get delivered. That brings this video to an end. We hope our crisp list of recommendations will help you kickstart your journey as a dropshipper in Australia. Make sure to pick a supplier that best suits your goals. Happy selling! Stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, stay subscribed.